Always remember, whenever the teacher will come, you will make the teacher the host. This recording, good. Yeah, please switch it on to the. How? I'll ask Mama to come and help you. Okay? Stop the video. It's okay. No, it's okay. It's okay. Is there.
Good morning, everyone.
Good
Am I
morning, ma'am.
audible?
Yes.
I can't hear anybody.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you are muted. Yeah, Abdullah, just speak up.
Good morning.
I can't hear. Can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes? Okay. But I can't hear you. Let me see. Okay. Now somebody just speak up.
Good morning.
Yeah, now it's fine. Good morning. Did you try the last week activity?
Yes,
ma'am. The gesture one? Yes, Afia, did you try that one?
Ma'am, which one?
This one, victory, and which was the other one? This one.
Oh yeah. Something like this. How do you
Ma'am, I tried.
Oh,
Right? Is it
Yes.
faster now? Show?
No.
No, still that way only.
Ma'am, you told any two.
Any two gesture. Show me any two different gesture. Oh, that is very easy. You have to make one, at least make one like this or like this also. It's fine.
can I like this, ma'am?
Okay, anybody try to make lungs at home? The lungs model I
No.
showed you.
I tried
Okay.
this one.
Can you
Yes.
send the link on the group or Google Classroom?
Okay, I'll send you the link. Just make it and try to, because everything is available at home. The bottle, a plastic bottle, 3 balloons you want, 2 straws you want, small knife to cut, tapes you want. That's all. That's all required. Okay, and just see how it works. Then you will understand the same way our lungs also function in our body. Okay, I'll explain it once again because last time I couldn't do it completely. So today we'll do it. And one more thing, assignments, I'm not getting everyone's assignment. Last assignment, I just got 4 people's assignment. That was, I think Muazzam, Mudabbir, Abdullah, and Farhana. That's all. Nobody else has done. So that means you are having problem.
The maths assignment.
Yeah,
Which one assignment is the science or the maths?
I'm talking about science right now.
I submitted science.
You submitted, but I have not received. How have you submitted on Google Classroom?
Yes, I not sent in class comments. I sent it privately to you.
Okay, through mail you have sent me.
No on Google Classroom.
So everybody is sending privately only. Okay, let me check once again. Yesterday you sent, because I didn't get the notification also.
Ma'am, I sent on Sunday.
Sunday you sent me. No, I didn't receive. Why? Because I checked it yesterday also.
Sunday in the night, ma'am.
Okay. Yes, now it is showing. Yeah, Ahmad and Amina. Okay, I have not checked Amina yours. Okay. See, those I'm checking, I'm sending them the replies also, so they come to know that I have already checked. Okay. So actually, I didn't get this. Okay, fine. You got it on mail, right, Amina? Did you get your maths assignment?
Yes, I got it. I got the maths assignment on Google Classroom.
Only this assignment you are not getting, na? Circulatory worksheet. Okay. And rest of you, are you facing any problem in solving? So I can help you out. Yes, Afia?
And there is no problem, but when I
Yes,
try
Satya?
to open the assignment, no, so it is showing that unable to open the document.
It is showing like that. You send me a personal comment on this. See that you are not able to show it. Because Amina was also not able to open it, so I sent her mail, a personal mail. Okay, so I'll send you too. Or you can ask any of your friend to send the mail. Okay, so you can do it was just simple questions. Fill in the blanks were there just to have a revision on circulatory system. Okay. Anybody else is facing problem? Safia? Did you see the assignment, Safia? You saw? No?
Okay, good morning everybody and welcome to our new theory class. You know, I'll tell you a small story. Good
What
morning,
happened?
Mr.
Savi,
So
mute
nice to
yourself.
hear you. Good to see
Savi, just mute.
what are we going to do
Now?
with our professor?
Yeah.
So,
It's still coming. Do you
so,
face any problem in solving the
Gaita,
assignment?
oh my
No.
God,
Did you see the
smile.
assignment?
Huh?
Okay.
Did you
I
see
saw
the...
them, ma'am, but I forgot to write it down.
Boy, I was
Oh, you forgot to write it down. You know the answers?
6 years,
Yeah.
7 years, or
If
8 years.
anybody is facing problem in
Yeah,
finding
okay.
out the
So over
answers,
your
you can
years,
ask me in the
my
class.
daddy decided
Okay?
to take me to a
So
movie.
that we can discuss the questions. The questions which I am giving
Okay,
is
yes.
for your knowledge, so that
Yes, all right.
for your learning.
My daddy
Okay?
was so
So
excited.
if you
when
don't
he
know
was
the answer, you can ask me the question that I'm not able to do this question. Okay? And maths assignment also, I'll discuss it during the maths class only.
all the tickets were
But
sold out.
I think time is...
And when you go there and you're small
Going.
child, and all the
So let us start with our class now. Okay?
there's big tears rolling
Still
from
people
my
have
eyes.
not joined in yet.
Big tears, you know that?
Humaira, are you there? Humaira?
Ma'am, I can see her name in the participants.
It is there, but I cannot see
And
it.
then my daddy said, no, we will
Yeah,
go to
Humaira,
that
you're there.
movie.
Okay.
I said, no.
Humaira, did you see the assignment? Did you go through the
And
question?
then, when the tickets are
Science
available,
assignment?
tickets were
Appa.
not available. All right.
Just
So,
unmute
daddy
yourself.
took me to
Safia,
a
mute
movie.
yourself.
Maths assignment.
Yeah, Ali.
I'm talking about science right now. So science assignment, did you see the questions? So are you facing any problem in solving it?
No, ma'am.
So just solve it and send it back to me, okay? Then who is left? Sakleen, already spoken. Rest all of you have done, right? Yeah. Okay. So let us start with the class. Any problem in maths or science assignment, just you can ask me personally also, or in the class also, we can discuss the problem, okay? So no issues, and then you can solve it. Okay, last class we did, I'll share the screen and then I'll start with the class. Just a moment, I'm facing some problem. I'll just see what is happening. Can you see my screen?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
What is she? Oh,
Ma'am, I guess
but
you have
now
internet problem.
Naomi just bought this cat.
Yes,
She was
internet
all
problem.
on the
Actually,
street
my
all alone.
laptop
So
got
Naomi said,
updated
"What should I
yesterday.
name my
Facing
cat?"
some
So
problem.
other day she called. You know, the answer, my cat is that she's a lovely
Just a moment.
little
I'll
cat.
leave and
So I
I'll
want
just join
to name
again.
her. I said, don't worry. I have got my QE friend. I will ask
I'm
my
not getting that option also. You can see me, right?
Yes.
Just a moment. Is it visible now, my screen?
Yes.
Yes.
Sorry, huh? Okay, let us start with.
Naomi's cat is a boy or a girl? Ah, we forgot. It's a girl.
Okay.
How cute
Now
is
this
a
is
girl? Is
Safia.
it a girl or cute like a boy?
Safia, please
Naughty
mute
like a
yourself. Okay. Now, can you see the words? You have to find the words written over here. Alveoli, bronchi, oxygen, pharynx, external respiration, 2 phases of respiration, 3 types of respiration, bronchioles, internal respiration, cellular respiration, and trachea. Okay. So start
Ma'am?
finding out the words. Yes.
2 phases of breath or 2 phases of respiration?
There is, sorry, 2 phases of breathing.
Yes.
Okay. This is 2 phases of breathing. So just
Ma'am, what is that 3 types of?
3 types of respiration. Okay. So who has found
Ma'am,
any?
I got one.
Ma'am, I also got
I
one.
got one.
Okay,
Ma'am, I
one by
got.
one I'll ask. Huh? Farhana, tell me.
Ma'am, in the last line, second
Yes.
letter, external respiration.
Okay, yes, external respiration. You can make this word, huh? Just underline it. Okay, second, Abdullah.
2 phases of breathing.
Where is it? This one? Yes, two phases of breathing. Who else has found Saklain? Okay, Mudabbir.
Really?
Mudabbir, you tell me.
Ma'am, I found one.
Pharynx.
Pharynx, where is it?
Ma'am, second last line, second letter.
Yes.
Ma'am, I
Pharynx.
got oxygen.
Yes, Humera, where is it?
Ma'am, I
I will underline it too.
Oh, yeah, underline it.
got one.
Yeah, Safia,
Ma'am, I got bronchi.
it is bronchi. Yes. Safia, what did you find? Safia, you can underline, huh?
I got
Saklain?
alveoli.
Alveoli. Yes, Saklain, where is it?
Ma'am, I got one more.
Cellular respiration. Who has found cellular
Me.
respiration? Okay, Abdullah. And what is it? R-A-T-I-O-N. This is respiration, right? This whole word is respiration. This red one, who is underlining this? So this is whole word is respiration. Only respiration is okay. Yeah, Amina, any other word you have found? Ahmad, Munib. Yes, everyone has to find one word. Oxygen.
Bronchial.
Ma'am, I found trachea.
I found
Yes,
bronchial.
where is trachea?
Ma'am, I found internal respiration.
Yes, correct. This is trachea. Where is internal respiration?
The first line.
Yes, this was the first one, internal respiration. Okay, what is left? Internal respiration done, trachea done, bronchioles left.
I'm here.
Yes, bronchioles also done. Okay, so all the parts of respiratory system is done.
There is one more respiration.
Three types of
Three
respiration.
types of respiration. Okay, this is left. Where is it? Three types of respiration. Yes. Three types of respiration. This one, huh? Over. Okay. Everyone just erase it. So we are done with this word search. And you know the function of each part, right? What is the function of alveoli? Who will explain me? What is the function of alveoli? Ahmad, I want this answer from you, Ahmad. I cannot see you. Are you there, Ahmad?
Tricks on his classmates and of joking by telling lies.
Who will answer this?
Ma'am,
Okay, Abdullah.
alveoli gas exchange takes place over there.
Gas
So
exchange
capillaries.
is at alveoli, yes. Farhana, what is the function of trachea?
Ma'am, trachea comes after the pharynx. And
Yes.
it's kind of like branches that go to the alveoli.
No, trachea is actually the main windpipe, right? Trachea is the main windpipe and it moistens the air. See, moisten air passes through. So it allows the passage of oxygen to the lungs. That is the main function, okay? Passage of oxygen or air to the lungs. That is the function of trachea. Okay. So we'll go to the next slide. This is the solution. Okay, this was the activity which I had to explain. I will tell you all to make this if possible at home, and you can show me in the next week or any class in the next week. See, everything is available. I'll send you the Google link also of the video, or the video is already there in our previous class also. If you want to watch the video again, you can watch the previous class. You remember the previous class? The video was there, how to make this. If I forget to send you this link, you can see this previous class video and you can find out how to make it. Just you have to take a bottle, 3 balloons, 2 straws, tapes and gums, and then you can make this. Okay? Now, what is the reasoning behind that? When you are pulling this outside, this balloon, yellow balloon, when you are pulling this outside, Safia, can you see me? So when you're pulling this balloon outside, what happens? These 2 balloons enlarges, right? So why this happens? This happens because you know that the top of this bottle is open, right? Top of this bottle is open. So when you are pulling this downwards, here the volume increases, and last time I told you when volume is more, pressure is less because of the collisions. So when volume increases, the pressure inside these two balloons decreases. When this pressure is less, the air pressure inside these two balloons is less and outside pressure is more. Outside is what? Air pressure or atmospheric pressure. So when inside pressure is less, outside pressure is more. So what will happen? The gases will, or the air will push inwards and move into the lungs. Okay, so you just see how this process takes place. First step is you are pulling it down. When you pull this down, this is the diaphragm in our body. Okay, so when you are pulling this balloon down, this two balloon enlarges because volume increases and pressure decreases. And as pressure decreases, outside air moves inside these two lungs, these two balloons, and this enlarges. Now when you leave it, so when you push it inwards, the reverse thing takes place. When you push it inwards, what will happen? These two balloon will now deflate. This is called as inflation of balloon. This is deflation of balloon. So the balloon will deflate because the space is less. When the space is less, so under ka pressure will increase and this will push out the air outside. So this happens during exhalation and this happens during inhalation. Okay, so in the last class I was telling you ki it is not like that we are expanding our chest and then air is moving in. It's not happening like that. First thing is what is happening. It's not like when you are inhaling and then chest is expanding. It is not like that. It is acting in the reverse way. Now how it happens? First of all, this balloon activity is clear how this happens. When you make this lungs at home, you can see this while doing it. When you stretch outside this yellow balloon, you will see that these two balloons will enlarge and your bottle should be open. Otherwise air will not move in. Okay, so this is clear why this happens to everyone?
Yes.
Okay, so the same thing, analogy happens in our lungs also. You can see that when we pull it downwards, when we pull this downwards, these two balloons expands. These two balloons expands because volume also increases and pressure decreases. Now as pressure decreases, outside air moves inside and you are and then this is inhalation in our body. And when you push this balloon inwards, this deflates and pushes out air outside, because when volume is small, what happens? More collision, pressure increases. When pressure increases, so outside pressure is less, so under say air will go outside. Okay, understood this? So this is the reasoning behind it. You can see here, instead of balloon, you can see this is lungs. This is diaphragm. Now diaphragm, how it contracts and expands. This is called as contraction. Just remember the things. Diaphragm contracts, lungs expand. Lungs and ribs expand. Okay, so this reverse is taking place. When diaphragm moves down, this is called as contraction of diaphragm, and these two lungs expand. These two lungs expand as the diaphragm moves down. Now, why diaphragm moves down on its own? It will not move down on its own. It will not contract on its own. How it happens? Which body organ controls everything?
Heart.
Brain.
Brain. Yes. So brain sends signal to diaphragm to contract. So this will move down. When the signal comes from brain, this will move down. As it moves down, lung expands and the pressure inside the lungs decreases. So that is why outside air moves through the trachea to the lungs and reaches to alveoli. Okay, so it happens like that. Now then again, brain sends signal to expand, the diaphragm to expand. When diaphragm expands, it happens like this. So you will see that the lungs will shrink, the lungs will contract. When the lungs contract, space inside becomes less. So it pushes the air, because pressure increases here in lungs. So it pushes the air outside through our nostril. So this is the process of inhalation and exhalation taking place in our body. Okay. So first signal is sent by brain. to the diaphragm. Diaphragm contracts, lungs expands, and pressure inside decreases. So that is why outside air moves into the lungs. And then again, brain sends signal to diaphragm. Diaphragm expands, lungs contract, ribs contract, and pressure inside lungs increases. So it pushes air outside. You know the concept of pressure. Whenever the volume decreases, pressure will increase, because in less space, gases molecules will collide a lot, and more collision means more pressure. Okay, in gases and fluids, more is the collision. Collision word is now clear, Safia. What is collision? You know that? When the gases molecules crash with each other and they move in different directions. Okay, and you know that gases molecules are always randomly moving with various velocities in all directions. Okay, so this is the pressure. So this happens in our body while breathing, while exhalation and inhalation. Inside the structure, you can see it here like this. You can see this is diaphragm, this is the ribs. You know why ribs are provided? Why ribs are provided in your body? Just think about it. Anyone can answer me? Why?
Protect the lungs and the heart.
The lungs and the heart.
And the heart. Very good. Yes, to protect the lungs and the heart, because these are very precious organ for our body, and that is required for our body. If something happens in these two portions, in these two parts, then the person will not be alive. So that is why ribs are provided to protect the body. Okay, to protect the heart and lungs. You know, okay, one more research work I want to give you. I want from, you are 10 people, right? 10 students. So one fact about lungs or respiratory system, any one fact, you can search one fact about your body. Like one fact I am giving you, our left lungs is smaller than the right lungs. Okay, they are not of the same size. Why? Can you think about it? Just relate it to heart.
Ma'am, because heart is on the left side.
Correct. Because heart is on the left side of the body. So left lungs is smaller, because in the same space, the lungs and the heart is there. Okay. So left lung is smaller than the right lung. So this is one fact. So any 10 interesting facts I want from all of you. Okay. In the next class.
And we each have to find 10 facts.
No. Everyone has to find one fact. Okay. That will be fine. So I will get 10 facts from you, and we will learn 10 facts. Okay. So you can search 10 facts upon on lungs or respiratory system. One
Ma'am,
fact.
you have to send it to you privately.
No, I'll ask you in the next class, Monday's class. Okay, you note it down, and I'll ask you in the Monday's class, so that everybody can hear to all the facts. Okay, understood? So this is our body. You can see.
Ma'am, can you send it on Google Classroom? I mean, just write it and send it.
Okay, fine.
Ma'am, we have to send a fact only about respiratory system, na ma'am?
Yeah, only about respiratory system and lungs. Okay. Just a moment. I'll just switch off my mobile phone. Okay. So this is our body. You can see this is diaphragm. Diaphragm is a muscle. It expands and contracts when brain sends a signal. Okay. So you can see this. This is diaphragm contracts. When diaphragm contracts, this lungs expands, and when diaphragm relaxes, then lungs contract. You can see the size of lungs over here. Okay. So the same thing happens as I explained it in the previous slide. Anything is not clear, you can ask me. How breathing takes place, anything. Humaira, Ahmad, Munir, is it clear? Munir, is it clear? Yes, okay. Ahmad, is it clear?
Yes. Yes.
Okay. So now moving to the yes, Abdullah.
I had a question in circulatory system. Can I ask it right now?
Yeah, ask.
The thing which is studied in the blood, the four parts of the blood: plasma, white blood cells, platelets, and red blood cells, right?
Yeah.
So you told when a doctor, when he takes the blood in the test tube,
yeah,
you'll see that the RBC will be like on the bottom and plasma will be on the top,
After
right?
some time, after
Yeah,
some
yeah,
time,
yeah, yeah,
when you
yeah.
keep it.
Yes. So why does not the platelet and WBC differentiate? You know, why don't they also get out something?
See, the WBC and all these things are denser, and the plasma is just a watery material. Okay, so it moves up. So it stays up. It's mostly 95% water. Plasma is mostly water. So that is why it moves up and the rest of the denser things goes down. You know, the density, denser material sinks to the bottom and lighter material moves up. So that is why the reason is there. Okay, you know what is it? Sedimentation, the process of separation. You know that the sand settles down and water moves up because of density difference only, na? So the same thing happens here. Got it?
Yes, sir. Thank you.
So now we'll do precautions, diseases and precautions for respiratory system. Now you know that respiratory system is so important for our body. Most of the symptoms in all the respiratory system will be cough, shortness of breath, chest pain, hemotysis. Hemotysis means when you throw cough out, then blood comes in that cough. Understood this? So when it is severe respiratory diseases is there, like in tuberculosis and all, you see that when you throw cough out, sometimes blood also come. In lung cancer also it happens. Okay? So these are the various respiratory diseases symptoms. So we'll do one by one. First one is pneumonia. You have heard about it. Pneumonia spelling you see, it is P is silent. Okay. So pneumonia may same thing happens. It is infection of alveoli, and you know that alveoli is so important for blood, for gases exchange. So alveoli this is bacterial. Sometimes it can be viral infection also. So what happens, pus is, you see the x-ray, if you have seen any pneumonia person's x-ray, it is like white lungs will appear. It should be black, but the white lungs is white means infection is there. The mucus or pus is there throughout the lungs. So when it is filled with mucus, you know that air will not move in, exchange of air will be difficult, because where air should be there, that place you have mucus and cough and pus over there. So that is because of infection. What happens, these bacteria or virus, they go inside and multiply, and they form this pus and other liquid into the lungs. This happens mostly due to cold and all. So you have high fever, cough, chest pain, and difficulty in breathing. So this is pneumonia. Okay. And how do you cure? You have to take antibiotics so that this cough moves out and it is dissolved. Okay. So this is pneumonia. Then it is bronchitis. Bronchitis is infection in bronchus. You know which part is bronchus? Here, which part is bronchus?
I'm the
The
white
branches.
Which branches? 2 branches or many branches?
Many branches.
Who all are telling many branches, and who are telling Farhana is telling many branches? Many branches means you're telling
The small ones, ma'am.
this one?
Yeah, the small ones.
See, these two are bronchus. Singular is bronchus, plural is bronchi. These two are bronchi, and these many branches are bronchioles. Okay? Understood? So always, Farhana, is it clear now?
And bronchitis is a infection, or it's a like a disease?
It is an infection only, na? So by infection you get this thing, illness. So this infection means here you will have infection. Bronchi is these two tubes are bronchi, and bronchi divides into bronchioles, number of bronchioles. Okay, so these multi-thin tubules are bronchioles, and these two are bronchi. So 2 bronchi and many bronchioles are there. Many alveoli are there. Alveoli are there. Okay, alveolus is singular, alveoli is plural, because everything is plural, only trachea is one. So you can say trachea is singular, rest of them are plural only. Okay, you have 2 bronchi, many bronchioles, and many alveoli. Understood? It is clear for Hannah now? Okay. So,
yes, ma'am.
yeah. So you can see that the bronchi, this is bronchi, normal bronchi is so clean. And in infected bronchi, which is called as bronchitis, you see the mucus in the inner walls. Okay, so inner walls, if it becomes thickened, the supply of air will not be that much as it is required. Okay, here you can see clean bronchus is there, so full supply of air will be there. And here you can see that inside walls infection, due to infection you get this, and these are always virus and bacterial infection. Okay, so you get the supply of air is less. So same thing, supply of air is lesser to your lungs. That means you will have cough, production of clear white. Yeah. Yes,
So
Amita.
all that
Yes,
how
Amita.
do you prevent it and how does it come?
We'll come to prevention. After doing the diseases, we'll come to prevention also. Okay, so let us go through to see all the diseases. Mostly symptoms are same. Some severe symptoms will be different, because there are severe diseases, severe bronchitis, then it will be little complicated. Okay, so these are, you can see asthma patients also you have seen this. In this what happens again, these bronchioles, now it is bronchioles, not bronchi. Okay, so these bronchioles which are connected to alveoli, they become thickened, and again what happens, alveoli filled with air, it will not be able to pass out air through bronchioles. So that is why difficulty in breathing is there in this thing, asthma.
Man, the asthma person has a breathing problem, na?
So that is why he has this type of pump always keeping with him, because what happens, asthma is mainly sometimes because of allergy also, sometimes due to dust, due to some food or something, depends on person to person. Every person has got different allergy, so it can initiate asthma. So that is why this, what people do, you have to prevent those things. If you are what do you say, allergic to certain things, and asthma attack happens due to those things, like somebody, mostly people get attacked due to dust, and some people get attacked due to some heat also, or something. Means everybody has different criteria for this infection, for this disease. Okay, so the prevention is that you have to stay away from that allergy if you are allergic to that thing, for an asthmatic person. Okay, then is influenza, or we say flu. This is regularly happening, every time it happens, you have cold, cough, and flu happens. So this is a normal thing. It happens if it is if it is in lesser what do you say, lesser stage, lower stage. So influenza or flu, it is a viral infection that enters through mouth, eyes, and ear, anywhere, throat. It will enter through your hands also. If you touch your hand to your mouth and nose, it will enter to your body. So this is flu. Again, prevention, you already know, one of the flu, it is a type of flu, one of the virus is coronavirus, which we are nowadays, the pandemic going on. This is also a type of virus. Flu also happens because of virus, because virus can be anything, any virus. So many viruses are there, and you know, virus has a tendency to multiply on the host body. Okay, so our body is the host for virus, and in coronavirus what they do, they make the alveoli walls thickened, and you know, the alveoli walls are wrapped, the capillaries are wrapped around alveoli for the gas exchange. So the capillary walls also thickened, and the alveoli walls also thickened. So what will happen if the walls are thickened? Muazzam, can you answer what will happen if the alveoli walls and the capillary walls are thickened?
Ma'am, there will be difficulty in exchange of gases.
Yes, there will be difficulty in exchange of gases, because you know, the walls are thin, so that is why the diffusion takes place easily. But if the walls are thickened, the exchange will be difficult, and that is why respiratory problems are being faced when this coronavirus enters into your lungs. So that is why we say that if it has gone into your throat only, you remove it from there only by doing gargling and all those things. Okay, So, and taking medicines so that it does not enter lungs, because lungs, when it enters, it will enter the whole part of the body, and this respiratory difficulty will start taking place. Okay. This is tuberculosis. Earlier days, people used to die because of this. Nowadays, we have vaccine and all those things. So this is reduced now. Tuberculosis cavity is built in the lungs. And then then it is a very deadly disease. Cavities built up in your lungs, you know that. Then when you are coughing also, in the sputum, blood will come out. And this is also very dangerous disease if it is not treated. Nowadays you have treatment, or it is, and all these diseases are contagious. You know what is contagious disease, Amina?
It can pass through somebody to another person.
It will pass from one person to another through touch or any other thing, through air also. Okay, if you sneeze in front of someone and the air, the virus or bacteria is suspended in the air, and if that person touches the surface or takes in that air, then that person will also suffer from the disease. So these are all contagious diseases. The lung cancer, which is a very dangerous disease, it is most common, and it happens because of smoking. You know, that is why on all cigarette packets and everywhere it is written that cigarette smoking is dangerous for health, but still people do. So you should see, cigarette smoking is...
Does the lung actually get black when you do?
Yeah, it gets, it is actual picture only, na? So it will not allow, so again the gas exchange will not take place. So lungs ki halat, see how it happens. Okay, see, active smoker and passive smoker, you know that what does that mean? Active smoker and passive smoker, anybody knows? Humera?
Active smoker means he smokes every day.
And what is passive smoker?
Don't smoke, or very rarely.
Not like active smoker is not who he smokes every day. Active
smoker means he always smokes, he's active with smoking. And passive smoking means he doesn't smoke every day or every time.
Same answer you are giving. Yes, Safia, any other answer?
Ma'am, in active smoker, it's like it affects immediately. Passive smoker, it takes some time. After that, it affects.
Okay, it may take some time, but why? See, what happens, active smokers means, suppose if I am smoking, I am active smoker. And if you are sitting in front of me, not like that, somebody is sitting in front of me, not virtually, but physically somebody is sitting in front of me, then he is a passive smoker, because he is also inhaling the smoke. Although he's not smoking, but he's inhaling the smoke. Understood?
And that person can also get lung cancer.
If continuous this thing happens, continuous, so that is why smoking, see, you see now, wherever children are there, people don't smoke, and because it is dangerous for them also. Okay, so it is not like who is the person who is active smoker is, it is dangerous, it is more dangerous for that person, but passive smoker is also taking in the smoke inside. Okay, so that is also not good. So you should not be active smoker and you should not be passive smoker. Got it? Understood? You see now, when somebody smoke, you inhale the air, you take in the air, right? You take in the smoke, na? You get the smell inside your body. So that means the smoke is going in, correct? So that is passive smoker. Passive smoker doesn't smoke, but he's just taking in the smoke. And active smoker is one who actually smokes. So when he's smoking, he's taking more of smoke inside, and the passive smoker is taking less smoke inside. Got it? So this is the difference between active and passive smoker, but still smoke is going in. So what are the preventive measures that you should take? Avoid smoking. This, see, the few things are there for full body: exercising, avoid, don't fall into bad habits of smoking and drinking. Use face mask is for our respiratory precaution. You know that why nowadays this has become so important in our life, face mask. Okay, precaution from exposure to cold. You should not drink cold chilled water or chilled things when your throat is having problem, because that will increase the respiratory problem. Then avoid close contact with people who are sick, and avoid pollution, because this also increases the respiratory disorder. So what are the 5 tips that we should do to keep our lungs healthy? Cardiovascular exercise. What are cardiovascular exercise? Can you name some?
Core exercises.
Over exercises, that is running, swimming, okay, jogging. These are cardiovascular exercises. Aerobics. Okay, so these are cardiovascular exercises. Stay hydrated. Stay hydrated means
drink water.
Drink a lot of water. Your body
Drink water often.
Yes. Quit, avoid smoking. You should never smoke. Eat healthy food. That is true for whole body, and maintain a healthy weight. Healthy weight means you should not be obese, because obesity also compresses our lungs activity. Okay.
You should not be too obesity, or you should not be too
too thin also. Yeah, you should maintain a healthy weight. So for that, you should have healthy eating habits and exercising, hydrated, and smoking. Okay. Deep breathing, eat well, avoid air pollution, be active, keep exercise regularly, don't smoke. This is for your lungs to be healthy. So healthy lungs is very important. This is just, okay. This is just an extra information. What causes hiccup? You know what is hiccup? How it happens?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
I think 220.
It happens if we don't drink water. Something. But when we drink water, it is gone.
Okay. Yeah. Anybody else?
Ma'am.
Yeah. Yes.
It happens if we are eating and talking both together, because you know the epiglottis will
Yes, correct. You are going correct track. Because of epiglottis only this happens, hiccups. Now, why this happens? See, normal breathing may air goes, epiglottis is open and it goes in, opens the airway, and air goes in and breathing takes place, right? Now, during hiccups, what happens? Air moves in and epiglottis shut the trachea with a hic sound. Okay, so air moves into the stomach and it doesn't move in, and you get that hiccup. So actually this hiccup there is no means long duration hiccup might be dangerous, but usually hiccups go in shorter duration only. If it is like going on for 1 year or 2 years, then it might be some problem might be there. But otherwise hiccup is just normal. It doesn't hamper anything. It happens just with because this epiglottis closes with a hic sound, so you get a hic. You know, hiccup is why this name has come, because you get hic sound during hiccup, right? So people say that you just hold your breath for some time, the hiccup goes away. You drink a lot of water, the hiccup goes away. So these are the various things, but it is not proven yet. But
the problem can happen like in the Hitchcock movie that it was there, no?
Okay. That was a problem. That was not a hiccup. That was a disorder. Okay. So that was not hiccup actually. That was something else. That was due to throat. She explained, you know, have you seen the movie? She explained some disorder in the throat. So that is why she was not able to speak. Have you seen the movie Hitchcock?
I have only heard.
You have heard. So she has mentioned the name of a disorder. She has mentioned some throat problem was there, because of which she's not able to speak. So it is not actually Hitchcock.
And she had a pig also, na?
You are going to either read or you're going to ask.
She had a...
I didn't understand. You're muted, Safia.
So,
Now?
Yeah.
So you will read on your own.
She had a pig also, no, ma'am?
That is done.
I don't remember now. I just know she had some problem. Okay. Okay. So let us move on. Now there is a quiz. 5 minutes are left. We'll just have a revision on this. The respiratory system is made up of the trachea. Now Humaira will answer. The lungs and the what? A, B, C, D. Which is there in the respiratory system, Humaira? Yeah, Humaira.
Ma'am, can I answer?
Wait, Abdullah, let Humaira answer. Humaira? Are you writing in chat? Yes, Humaira.
The diaphragm.
Yeah, diaphragm. Okay, next one.
You have to
Respiratory system.
Okay. Next one, when you breathe in air. Okay, I myself am not able to see the screen. Okay, next one. When you breathe in air, who will read the question? Farhana, just read the question.
When you breathe in air, you bring oxygen into your lungs and blow out.
Blow out what?
Carbon
dioxide.
Carbon dioxide.
Carbon dioxide. Okay, next question.
Alright, so that's
Ahmad,
the
just
first
read
video.
the
Bye bye
question.
everybody.
When you
See
inhale
you
your lungs,
again. Bye. Bye now.
your lungs inflate, turn purple, deflate, do or die.
Yes, Umema. Lovely. Yes, Umana. Yes.
Safia, please mute yourself.
Yeah, mother can also help. Yes.
Safia. Yeah, Ahmad, are you answering?
Yes, I'm here.
Yeah, tell me what is the answer. When you inhale your lungs, what will happen to lungs?
They inflate.
They inflate, yes. They inflate, so that is why air moves in. We inhale this gas into our lungs to help keep our body cells alive.
11 o'clock.
Oxygen.
Sand.
Oxygen.
Yes. Okay, next is, you have to match the following, okay? So exhaling from one will match to what? Just go through the column B parts. Abdullah, can you answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Exhaling will?
Breathing out.
Yes. Inhaling is?
Breathing in.
Breathing in.
Okay. Next, Muazzam, air sacs. You are doing?
Ma'am, I say.
That is me, ma'am.
Air sacs, don't do this. I can't see all the matching going on over here. Yeah, Muazzam, air sacs.
Where gases are exchanged.
Where gases are exchanged, yes. Mudabbir, trachea.
Windpipe.
Windpipe, good. Capillaries.
Surrounded the
air sac.
Surround the air sacs. Okay. So it is clear now. Respiratory system, the parts. Any question is there in this chapter? Any doubt? Any explanation you want to repeat? No? Okay. So 2 activities I have given you. One, you have to research and find out any one fact about lungs or respiratory system. One interesting fact about lungs and respiratory system. One fact I have already told you. That fact you don't have to repeat. Okay. And
you have to find a fact about the whole body or
about lungs only. Okay. If you are able to find, just search, you will find so many facts are there about lungs. How long is it? Or so many things we have discussed in class also. Okay. So interesting facts about lungs and circulatory, respiratory system. And second part, you have to make using balloons. You have to make your lungs, the respiratory system. You can do that. You can show me in the next.
Ma'am, one assignment was it. One assignment is a fact and other one is
to make a balloon that I show you, balloon lungs. I showed you in the last class the video.
We have to take the photo and send it to you, no?
You can see the video going back the previous class.
No, if we make, we have to take a photo.
In the class.
Okay.
To meet in the class only. Okay.
I do not have straws.
Yeah, Amina.
I don't have straws.
It's okay. Those who have got it, they will do if it is possible. You just find out this thing. If anyone also can make, that is fine, so that we can show it in the class. Okay. Anyone who has got straws, Abdullah, can you make it?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So any one person, or Safia, if you can make it, you also make. Okay. So that is just, this will take 10 minutes time to make. Okay. If you have all the things at your home.
Ma'am, you want us to send the video or something on WhatsApp?
You want to send, no, you want me to send the video?
No. I mean, you want us to make and then send the video on WhatsApp?
No. Don't send me the video. Just the product that you have made, na, show me in the class. No need to make the video. Okay, just make it and show. Just bring it in the next class. Okay, got it? If it is not ready, just show it in the Wednesday's class. But with the fact, keep the fact ready on Monday's class. Fine? Is it clear, everyone?
Yes.
Okay. Chalo, see you in the next class. Bye.